Vrishabha Rashi 2026 Complete Astrology. Vrishabha Rashi is ruled by Venus, Shukra, which represents comfort, wealth, relationships, and artistic nature. The year 2026 brings steady growth with inner transformation rather than sudden changes. 1. Past influences 2023 to 2025 Karma carryover. Key planetary effects: Saturn, Shani, in Aquarius, 10th house, career; Jupiter, Guru, transit through, plus Aries, Taurus, Gemini. What you experienced: heavy responsibilities in career and pressure to prove yourself, slow but stable professional growth, financial ups and downs despite income, emotional maturity in relationships, reduction or filtering of social circle. Core lessons from past: patience and discipline became essential, understanding the value of stability over speed, learning to manage money and expectations, becoming more practical in relationships. 2. Present 2026 detailed predictions. Major planetary positions in 2026. Saturn, Shani, in Pisces, 11th house, gains, networks. Jupiter, Guru, in Gemini, 2nd house, finance, speech, family. Rahu Ketu influence on communication and partnerships. Career and finance. Predictions. Career progress continues but remains gradual. Gains come through networking and long-term efforts. Opportunities through communication, skills, or side income. Financial inflow improves compared to previous years. Challenges: delayed recognition despite effort, increased expenses or financial responsibilities. Workplace expectations may feel demanding. Advice: stay consistent, avoid impatience, focus on skill development and communication, plan finances carefully, and avoid impulsive spending. Love and relationships. Predictions: relationships become more serious and realistic, emotional depth increases, possibility of long-term commitments or clarity in existing relationships. Challenges: miscommunication or misunderstandings, emotional distance at times, overthinking situations. Advice: communicate clearly and honestly, avoid assumptions, be patient and emotionally available. Health. Predictions: mental stress and overthinking may increase, energy levels fluctuate. Advice: maintain a proper routine, prioritize sleep and mental relaxation. Meditation or calming practices will help significantly. Family and personal life. Focus on family responsibilities increases. Financial matters related to family may arise. You may become more selective in friendships. Spiritual thinking or introspection grows. 3. Future outlook, late 2026 to 2027. What improves? Career clarity and direction become stronger. Financial stability improves with better control. Confidence increases gradually. Better decision-making ability. Key turning point: mid to late 2026 brings clarity in goals and priorities. Efforts made earlier begin to show results. Long-term direction, strong foundation for career growth, stable and mature relationships, better financial discipline and planning. Lucky elements for Taurus in 2026. Colors: white, light blue, pastel shades. Numbers: 2, 6. Favorable days: Friday, Monday. Favorable planet: Venus. Remedies: Vedic suggestions. Chant Om Shukraya Namaha. Offer white flowers on Fridays. Maintain cleanliness and harmony in surroundings. Practice gratitude and calmness. Overall summary. Area. Rating in 2026. Career: 3.5 out of 5. Finance: 3.5 out of 5. Love: 3 out of 5. Health: 2.5 out of 5. Growth: 4 out of 5. Theme of 2026 for Vrishabha Rashi: steady progress, emotional maturity, and preparation for long-term success. Don't forget to like and subscribe.